Hello there, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters, and this is a fun video. As anybody knows, I'm not the biggest fan of insurance companies. I've worked for one, I despise them, and always fighting them. I enjoy fighting with them. That's part of the everyday job that I do. But this is a great video. I'm going to share 5 tricks. Yeah, I mean, if you want to call them tricks, I call them tricks, but I guess you can say ways to upend a claim adjuster. That's right. 5 tricks, 5 ways to upend your insurance claim adjuster. Doesn't matter what company. These are 5 little tips I'm going to give you guys. And then it's fun. So let's take a look at them. And let me know what you think. Let me know if any of these have crossed your mind. Leave a comment. That'd be great. Number 1. So let's say an insurance adjuster calls you, you have a smaller type claim, and they make a lowball offer. Let's say your damage is $15,000 and you think, okay, I'm going to try and work out a settlement with the adjuster and the insurance company. So they give you a lowball offer, right? So once they give you that offer, what do? Do you go back and keep negotiating? Yeah, you can. But here's something you could do they will never expect. Okay? Go to Google, whatever search engine you use, and put in mediation, state of Florida, property damage claims. Now, what you can do, you can request mediation through the state of Florida and the insurance company and adjuster. You fill out the paper and they will never know you did it. That is trick number 1. Trick number 2. When they come for an inspection, you make a claim for your roof, for your water damage, for a fire, for a cast iron pipe claim, whatever it may be. They call you up, they say, we want to take a look at everything. They send the adjuster out. Guess what you do? You video everything. Their every step in the house, watching the ceiling, okay? Now, trick number 3 follows up on this. But the reason why you want to take a video, you want to ask them when they're looking around where you know there's damage. Mr. or Mrs. Adjuster, is my wall here damaged? Let's say the wall is stained. Is this wall damaged? You got on video? Them saying yes. All right. Is my ceiling stained from the roof damage? You get them? You say yes. It seems a little odd, I know, but it's a great tool to use. Nothing like getting these people on video. When they say something's covered, when they say something's damaged, and then all of a sudden you get a letter later where they deny it or where they say that wasn't damaged due to the roof leak or due to the storm or whatever, and yet you got them on tape. Okay? Number 3, when they're coming for the inspection, you make a list of everything that was damaged. And then when they're done, say, Mr. and Mrs. Adjuster, can you sign this? Let's go over this real quick. Here's an inventory of everything that's damaged. If you have personal property too, make a separate sheet. Here's my personal property that was damaged, water damage. I had my couch damaged, my bed damaged, my shoes are damaged, my clothes. You list that all. Separate personal property, separate your internal structures, being walls, baseboards, ceilings, floors, etc. All right? So you ask if they sign it. They probably won't sign it, but it's worth a shot. Because then now you put the onus on them to cover the claim. All right? That's trick number 3. Trick number 4. If they ask you for a recorded statement, all right? When you're going through a recorded statement, they usually try to pin you down as to what happened. I don't remember exactly. Maybe sometime in the afternoon. I really don't know. All right? So use that quite a bit because you want to preserve your rights to pursue the claim. You don't want to get boxed in. You don't want to say something that you might regret. Something that may hurt your claim. So use I don't know exactly as one of your main phrases to answer when a recorded statement. Okay? When did your roof get damaged? I don't know exactly. When did you know it's the first ceiling? You know, I don't know exactly. I can't give you a date because I give you a date, it may be off. Those are examples. Tip number 5. All right. Going back to the inspection. So if you can, if there's a way, I would want you not to be there. What? What do you mean don't be there for the inspection in my own house? Do you have a friend? Do you have a relative? Do you have a family member? Because what happens is a lot of times the adjusters, whether it be directly for the insurance company or they hire an outside independent adjuster who's working for the insurance company, they're going to ask you questions. They're going to ask you when you first noticed everything. They're going to ask you, why'd you wait too long? How long did you have that water leak? And you may not realize it, but if you say, I've had that leak for a while and I noticed there was mold, or, finally it started leaking through the cabinets and I noticed one day, guess what? You just hurt your claim. You probably will get denied. So don't be there. If you can have somebody, because this way, when the adjuster asks your friend, neighbor, mom, dad, brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend, ex-husband, ex-wife, they ask them, do you know what happened? No, I don't know. I'm just letting you in. And that's the best way how you trick a insurance claim adjuster. Don't be there. Heck, even if it's your dog, let your dog let him in. He can ask the dog and the dog will bark. I don't know. I have nothing to do with this claim. 5 tricks on how you can pull one over on the insurance claim adjuster. Because remember, folks, they're not your friend. They're not my friend. They're not our friends. They are only working for the betterment and for the good of the insurance company. Once you understand that, you will know that they will always be nicely adversarial to you. Anyhow, I'm Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need to get a hold of me, have any property damage claims questions, 754-252-5438. That's my direct line, cell phone. Call me, text me, email me, theclaimsquad@gmail.com. Lastly, don't forget the site, www.theclaimsquad.com. Thank you.